Today, I'm unveiling 5 best side hustles in Nigeria, and in this video, I'll share the top side hustles for Nigerians in the coming year. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're an OG, welcome back to the channel. I'm Funke Odode, a business analyst, a social media strategist, and a content writer. On this channel, we'll learn how to make money, how to save money, how to invest money in the best possible ways, everything money. Now, let me ask you this. Is your Naira working as hard as you do? If you're still depending on one stream of income and you've been following my channel, please re-strategize. It's time to rethink. Nigeria is full of opportunities. And today, I'll be showing you 5 proven side hustles you can start right now to secure your financial independence. The first is to transcribe or translate content. Okay, who is a transcriptionist? A person that receives audio files from their clients and types out what they hear. These files may be in different forms. It could be in video, it could be in audio, it could even be written. It could be phone calls, and it could even be legal proceedings. So if you have a good ear or a quick finger, you will thrive in this field. Do you know that personally, I just signed a contract with a transcriber. The person's job is to read for me and tell me exactly what is in the document, or at least simplify what is in that document for me to consume it easily. Instead of me having to read 1,000 pages, the person's job is to read and give me key points on what they've read. So what did I watch out for in this freelancer? The person has an excellent listening skill, attention to detail, and fast typing ability. Also, which is very crucial, is the ability to meet up deadline. You don't want to give your job to someone who will tell you, I can only deliver in 3 weeks, in 1 month, and then your client will have to wait. Clients don't have that kind of patience. So audio files can include interviews, podcasts, phone calls, video recordings, and even medical or legal proceedings. So if you're interested in starting a transcription side hustle, platforms like Rev, Transcribe Me, and Go Transcript offer opportunities to work on flexible schedules. So you can be doing your 9 to 5 and still have flair for this. Just engage. You can be a stay-at-home mom, you can be a student, you can be a working class, you can be a business owner. And as long as you have the flair for this, or you have the time to do this, it's a freelancing job, so you can work at your own convenience. And they give option of tasks that match your skill level. So don't tell me that, I may not have the skill for this because I'm not too good at. As long as you have all the key skills that I spoke about, listening, attention to details, hearing, you can do this passively in the comfort of your own home. Some platforms even give you the opportunity to specialize in key areas. Like if, for instance, you're in medical field, you're a nurse, you can actually transcribe only medical proceedings. If you're in legal, you could actually transcribe only legal proceedings, and they pay more for this kind of key fields. So what are you supposed to do? Invest in quality tools, noise cancellation headphones so that you can hear properly, a comfortable keypad to enhance your typing, transcription software like Express Scribe. Then pay attention to your grammar, pay attention to how fast you type, practice regularly. Start with short files. It will help you get better at your job and build confidence and improve your skills over time. Be consistent, work steadily, do it over and over, and you will become a pro. Number 2 is e-commerce reselling with Konga and Jumia. If you're in Nigeria, starting a business in Nigeria is not easy, so side hustles will help you. With Konga and Jumia, you have an online platform to thrive. Nigerians are now shopping online more than ever, and platforms like Konga, Jumia are now goldmine for entrepreneurs. If you invest 100,000 naira in phone accessories from any supplier in Lagos, if you need a supplier, I've done one of the videos. I featured a supplier's shop, so you can check through my video, you get something that fits your need. Now when you get that, list them on Jumia or on Konga and promote your store on Instagram. That means you have to spend on Meta ad or Google ad. Within a space of a month, with the right advert, you can earn as much as 250,000 in profit, because people will rush to your store since you have an ad running on Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media handle. The best thing is for you to start small, learn what sells fast, and watch your side also grow. The next is crypto arbitrage trading. I've made a video recently on that. You can do well to watch after this. So if you're a beginner and you want to engage, do well to watch that video. So I know what you're thinking. Crypto is risky. Yes, but hear me out. Crypto arbitrage is one of the safest ways to make money in the market. For instance, Bitcoin might be selling for, say, 30,500,000 on NairaX or Coinbase, and it's selling for 31 million on Binance. You see a difference of 500,000. You go to NairaX, you buy low, and then go to Binance and sell high. Now you have cashed out 500,000 naira. Now you may not have up to 31 million or whatever million. You have small money. Buy the amount of crypto in your own capacity and yet you will still cash out because you buy on a platform that is not as popular at a lower rate and sell on a platform like Binance that is very popular at a higher rate. Please always use trusted wallets and platforms to secure your funds. Start small, and it's okay to experiment with just 20,000 naira or 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira until you get a hang of it. Join groups and communities that help. The good thing about crypto arbitrage is it doesn't require you to stare at a chart all day. You just buy, hold your money, sell when the difference makes sense. You have to be patient sometimes because sometimes the amount may drop, so you may have to hold till it rises again. It's one of the best side hustles in Nigeria online. The next is online teaching. If you love teaching, this side hustle is perfect for you. The demand for online tutors in Nigeria is now exploding. Male, female, everyone is keying into this as a side hustle, a major side hustle in Nigeria that gives a very profitable income. Whether it's jam prep or WAEC math or coding, platforms like teachme.ng and classnotes.ng connect you with students that are ready to learn on the go. So if you are not registered on these platforms, go and register if you love teaching, and you can start taking side gigs immediately. You can be a part-time teacher who teaches maths to secondary school students and earn up to 100 or 200,000 per month aside from your usual salary. So if you are confident in a subject or a skill, set your rates, create a profile, and let social media do the rest for you. Trust me, there's someone out there willing to pay for your knowledge. And guess what? You can also run an ad on your own if you don't want to join any other community to do this or platform to do this. Run an ad on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, whichever you want, and then concentrate on key areas in which you want to focus with the students. You will definitely see someone who will reach out to you whose child is struggling or who is even struggling altogether. The next is social media management for SMEs. SME social media management. Small businesses in Nigeria are desperate for help in growing their online presence. You know, everything these days is online. If you're not online, then what are you doing? Are you living under a rock? So if you can create content, run Facebook ads, or track engagement metrics, you're sitting on a gold mine. With tools like Canva for designing or Meta Business Suite for scheduling, your work is easier than ever. Start by offering your service to small businesses in your community. Once you've built a portfolio, don't mind the rate you are getting at first. You're just trying to build a portfolio, right? Once you've built a portfolio, you can expand and charge at a higher rate. Social media managers earn as much as 200,000 to 500,000 monthly. However, if you have to start small, you may think of 1 gig for 50k, 100k, then you build on that. Some run as much as 4 channels in a month, while some stick to 2, depending on the workload. So check your own activities or itineraries and see what works best for you. Even if you are running one at a time and it's just 50k per month, it is still a side hustle income, which is a bonus to what you're earning. So think about this and make that bold move this coming year. The next and bonus tip is for you to start a freelance writing. Be a content writer today. Like me, I do this for a living. If you can write, design, or organize, you can use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to connect you with businesses or employers who are looking to have freelancers work for them, many of whom pay in dollars or pounds. If you start freelancing as a writer, you can earn over 200,000 per month. Not at the beginning, right? You have to build a portfolio, convince people you can do this, charge small so that you can compete well on the markets like Fiverr or Upwork, so that people will choose you instead of choosing the next person. And that's just working a few hours in the evening, right? This is how to make money online in Nigeria. So when you are advertising or you're creating a profile, just don't say I'm a writer. You have to go beyond in order for you to be picked above the next person. Are you great at SEO content? Make sure that your profile reflects that. I'm an SEO content writer. You see, that sets you apart from a basic content writer, because people want to be sure, okay, let me go straight to the point. What I need this person to do is SEO optimization. So let me pick a writer that is niched to SEO writing. Don't forget to keep your rates affordable. Build reviews. You know, reviews always work a lot. Before you buy a phone or you download an app, will you not check for reviews so that you not just be wasting data or money? Once you have built that, you can increase your prices. With consistency, freelancing pays way more than 9 to 5. And yeah, this video is going to be as short as this. But before I go, I must celebrate our community celebrity of the week, which is Gracefield Vlog. That name, I love it. Welcome, 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 welcome to the channel. Welcome to the community. May your days continue to be grace-filled. I'm happy to have you here. I'm sure other community members are loving the fact that you're here. Thank you for joining our community. May you continue to be here with us even in the coming year and beyond. Thank you. May your grace reflect perfectly in your life. Thank you. If you love this content and you want to know more about side hustles you can do from home, or how to make money, how to save money, how to invest money, I would advise you to watch this video next.